Hi there, mga beloved kong soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Nandito naman po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful letter reading. Dito lang po sa inyo lagi nabagal sinusubaybay na Renzo Tarot Channel. Pasensya na po, almost 10 days po kung walang na-upload po sa ating YouTube account sapagkat super busy po ng inyong lingkod. So, pasensya na po, humingi po talaga ako ng pasensya but I'm still here para bigyan po kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful letter reading. Ating pong reading na pagsasamahan since may 2 pa lang naman ngayon ay para po sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Scorpio, habol po natin sa buwan ng Mayo. Mga kaganapan o mga dapat asahan ng mga nasa sign ng Scorpio para sa buwan ng May 2026. Alright, kamusta po kayo lahat? I hope you're doing great, you're healthy, safe, and okay. Kapag di po kayo nakasubscribe please do subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you want to avail a private reading, mag-message po kayo sa ating TikTok account, Renzo Tarot 444. Hindi po ako yung unang mag-message po sa inyo, kayo po ang unang mag-send sa akin ng message para makapag-avail po kayo ng slots for personal reading. Alright, ulitin ko po, this is for you Scorpio, Sun, Rising, and Venus sign para sa buwan ng May 2026. Pag nating patagalin pa, kunin na natin ang yung 10 cards. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, 10 cards please for Scorpio. I hope you're doing great. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. 5, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. So, sige po. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, Scorpio, your 10 cards are now ready. Sige. I know that you're so excited. Huwag na natin patagalin pa ito para sa buwan ng May 2026. Your first card, Scorpio, is 5 of Cups. There's parang nasa sitwasyon daw po kayo, Scorpio, na parang may konting kalungkutan, may guilt feeling kayo nararamdaman. Okay, or maybe there's a certain situation na parang nag-cause sa'yo ng frustration or disappointment. Okay, and parang with this May 2026, I can see here na although we have 9 cards here more, but I can feel a sigh of relief or parang matatanggal na ito or masasolve na itong little bit of disappointment na naranasan mo comes this May 2026. Everything will be okay, parang biglang magiging mahinahon yung mararamdaman mo, biglang mabubunutan ka ng tinik with this 5 of Cups. Kasi lately ito yung nararamdaman mo, parang may konting dinadala sa damdamin, may kulang, may emptiness kayong nararamdaman for the past months. And with this May 2026, expect Scorpio na magiging okay na ang lahat para sa'yo kahit paano gagana ang iyong nararamdaman. Okay, sabi ko nga, yan nag-reverse yung 8 of Swords. Parang mayroon talagang lately, past months, 2 to 3 months ago or weeks, grabe yung pinagdaanan ng Scorpio. Parang may isang bagay na parang nag-cause sa'yo hindi lang mental and physical exhaustion, but talagang everyday of your life parang nakatali ka sa isang toxic situation, hindi mo alam kung paano masasolve. But nag-reverse na siya. Sabi ko nga, this May 2026, expect Scorpio ng total overhaul. Parang, biglang linis. Paglilinis ng lahat ng mga toxicities and negativities na naranasan for the past months. And here, with the 8 of Swords in reverse, expect improvement, expect progress sa nararamdaman mo, sa peace of mind mo, sa happiness. Everything will be like a restart for you, Scorpio. And this is a good thing kasi sabi ko nga, ito pina-flashback na itong mga naranasan mo lately. Grabe talaga to the point na parang kahit di mo lang problema, nadami ka pa, sinelo mo pa yung responsibility. It seems na parang kumbaga concerned ka sa bagay na yon. That's why naapektuhan ka rin. Siguro, other family members, asawa mo, anak mo, yung may problema. But syempre, damay ka doon. That's why parang pati ikaw nagdala rin ng burden or ng problema sa buhay mo. But everything, sabi ko nga, May 2026 will be a resolution month for you, Scorpio. Everything will be alright. Okay? Expect a sigh of relief or talagang improvement sa buhay mo. Okay, we have here the 8 of Pentacles. So, with this 8 of Pentacles, May 2026 will be a very busy month for you, Scorpio. Siguro, ang dami mong asikasuhin, paperwork, everything related sa trabaho mo, kung ano man yung mga bagay na pinagkakabisihan mo, anything na makakadagdag sa finances mo, sideline ba yan, side hustle, part-time job, or whatsoever, kung ano man itong gagawin mong nasa isip mo. So this May 2026, everything will be a very busy time for you this month, Scorpio. So expect a very hectic schedule, but this is a good problem kasi Scorpio talaga, kumbaga, ito yung recovery period mo, ito yung pagbawi mo eh. So this will be a very fruitful month for you, Scorpio, right? Alright, Scorpio, para sa iyong pang-apat na card para sa buwan ng May 2026 na reading, we have here the Six of Pentacles. So, now I get, now, nag-gets ko na kung bakit talagang this May will be a very busy period for you. Kung sabi ko talagang busy-busy ka sa daming gagawin related sa financial improvement, mga side hustle, business, opportunities na gagawin mo, doble kayod kayo talagang working overtime, extra time ito. Kumbaga, talagang ibubuhos niyo lahat ng energy niyo in terms of money-making activities here. It's because the Six of Pentacles, you need money because parang may pagkakagastusan kayo. Maybe yung anak niyo kakailanganin ng pera, yung kapatid niyo, something like that na parang umaasa sa'yo, humihingi ng tulong sa'yo this May 2026. Parang may isang bagay kayong paglalaanan ng malaking pera and you're doing your best talagang para maglikom ng pera para matulungan kung sino man itong mga taong umaasa sa'yo. Maybe also outside of your family members, even community, neighbor, or friends na talagang nanghihingi ng tulong nyo. Expect this May 2026 na talaga kakailanganin nila yung help mo in terms of finances. That's why I can see you here, you're really working hard. It's because it's like a payback period for you sa May 2026, lalo na ngayon na parang ito yung mga taong nung panahon na naghihirap ka or parang nung nag-struggle ka, walang-wala ka, sila yung taong nalapitan mo now that they are the one na talaga nangangailangan ng tulong mo. So it's like parang magpipayback ka sa kanila. Okay, this May 2026. I can see here na parang mga kapatid. So what kapatid ba to? Magulang na parang nangangailangan ng tulong mo. This May 2026, Scorpio. I can see you like no doubt na talaga ibibigay mo, ibubuhos mo yung tulong para sa kanila. Alright? So sige. Panglima mong baraha, Ten of Cups celebration card. So after all these struggles, kasi past 3 to 4 months ago talaga yung problema na pinagdaanan mo is like hindi to concerning for yourself alone. It's like it concerned the whole family, the whole community. That's why with the Ten of Cups here, ang celebration na mangyayari is like the whole family also will be celebrating, hindi rin ikaw. Kasi after mo masolusyonan, after mabunutan ng tinik, masettle ang lahat, so hindi lang ikaw yung magsa-celebrate. It's like the whole member of the family, siblings, mga anak, magulang, mga close friends, people outside in your community na talaga nakita nila yung struggle mo, and now that you're going to have a resolution about it, masusolusyonan mo na ito, it's like, also all of them will be celebrating, will be joining you in celebration dito, Scorpio, because you truly deserve all of this transformation and progress na mangyayari sa buhay mo. All of the blessings, all of the healing, okay, and moving on na mangyayari. So you truly deserve all of this, Scorpio. Worthy of celebration ito, alright? So before we proceed to our last 5 cards sa ating secondary Scorpio, ulitin ko kapag di po kayo nag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you, paki-follow rin po nating TikTok account, Renzo Taro 444. If you want to avail a private reading, mag-message po kayo. Ulitin ko po, hindi po ako ang unang mag-message sa inyo for private reading. Scammer po yan. Kayo po ang unang mag-chat po sa akin at pag-usapan po natin kung paano po kayo makakapag-avail ng slot for private reading. Alright? So, sige Scorpio, tuloy-tuloy na ito for your 6 cards sa iyong May 2026 reading. 10 of Wands in reverse. So, talagang sabi ko, ito na. This will be unstoppable. Tuloy-tuloy nitong pagbangon mo. Tuloy-tuloy nitong recovery mo in terms of your peace of mind, in terms of contentment. Kasi nag-reverse ito. Lately talaga grabe yung overwhelming talaga yung responsibilities mo, yung pressure na pinagdaanan mo for the past months, 3 to 4 months. Talagang it seems na parang sabi ko nga, hawak mo. Is that hawak mong bita? It's like, pasan mo ang daigdig. Sa iyo nakaasa ang lahat, although drained ka na nga sa sarili mong problema na kinakaharap, pati problema ng ibang tao parang sa iyo pa pinasa, family members, okay, sa trabaho, sa workplace, everything talagang tinest yung patience mo, tinest yung kumbaga kung hanggang saan ka. But I can see here with her, dahil nag-reverse siya, this May 2026 will be a month of healing talaga, moving on, like, moving forward for you, Scorpio. Tuloy-tuloy na ito, you don't need to worry. Kumbaga, makakahinga ka ng malalim talagang, kumbaga, mabubunutan ka ng tinik. Tama na, tapos na yung mga period of pressure and overwhelming pressure na talaga pinagdaan mo. This will be, is like, restart for you, Scorpio, because you truly deserve all of this. Nakita ko nga baka magta-travel kayo or parang pupunta kayo sa isang lugar just to regain your energy, to recharge yung mga nawala, na-deplete mo na energy for a long time sa kakaasikaso nitong mga bagay na problema o yung mga na ginawan mo ng solusyon o kinaharap mo. Right? So, 3, we have here the Empress. Oh, Scorpio, May 2026, mapapansin ng lahat na parang muling babalik yung pagiging blooming mo, mag-aayos ka naman sa sarili mo, magpapagupit, magpapapayat, mag-asikasuhin mo yung katawan mo, everything. Talaga malaki yung transformation na mapapansin ng tao sa paligid in terms of your physicality, your looks, muling magbo-bloom, may magpapapayat, may magpupunta ulit sa gym or whatsoever, magpapalit ng what is this fashion style, your hair color, everything. It's more on improvement of your looks for a long time na hindi mo na asikaso na pabayaan mo. Okay? With the Empress card here, mapapansin ng lahat this May 2026 Scorpio that is like, you will be radiating again. It's like a vibrant Scorpio. Kimikinang uli, nag-emit uli ng positive aura, positivity. You will be smiling again. You will be laughing again. Okay? Everything will be noticing your transformation. So, ang ganda nito, Scorpio, for you. Right? We have here the star card. So this is healing, moving on. So abundance also after all the trials and tribulations that na pinagdaanan mo this past month, Scorpio, you truly deserve all this. So, I can see here na talagang tatanggapin mong reality na yung mga nakaraan ay tapos na yun, hindi na maibabalik, hindi natin kontrolado yung mga nangyari sa buhay. And the best thing here is how are you going to move forward? Ito yung mantra mo dito, Scorpio. Nakikita ko na bibit-bitin mo na lang lahat ng mga lessons, lahat ng mga bagay na napulot mo, na aral doon sa mga nangyari. And now, with this new journey that you're going to embark, like, itong muling pagsimula mo, ito yung focusan mo. What will be the lesson that I will get here? Okay, with this star card here. This is moving on, healing for you, Scorpio. So, whether you like it or not, kinakailangan mo to. Kasi if you continue to dwell or to hold on to the past traumas, to the past problems and painful experiences na pinagdaanan, hindi ka makaka-move on. Makaka-apekto ito sa pag-move forward mo. Maaaring mag-block din ito sa mga manifestations mo, lalong-lalo na now you're doing your best to recover in terms of finances or everything. So, you need to be still, you need to calm your nerves, everything. So switch to have a positive mindset, switching to a more positive and vibrant kumbaga atmosphere na kakailanganin mo, Scorpio, right? So 9 card mo para sa buwan ng May 2026, King of Swords. So Scorpio, this May 2026, you are advised by the universe to, for a long time, kasi nanahimik ka for a long time, parang nag-give way ka sa mga tao, sa mga sitwasyon na parang it's more on parang hindi ka nakialam, hinayaan mo lang. It's because sabi mo you want peace of mind. But now, this May, there are certain situations that may provoke you. That's why it needs your honest and pagiging vocal mo. You need to express what you're feeling. Kailangan mo sabihin, iparamdam mo. Hindi mo to pwedeng sarilihin. You express what you really feel. Sabihin mo to. Hindi to pwedeng kumbaga, ikaw lang nakakalam nito. It needs honesty. Ipakita mo. Walang masama kang intensyon, wala kang ibang plano or gustong iparating sa sasabihin mo. Kailangan mo lang sabihin ito para malaman din nila, para aware itong mga tao or sa sitwasyon na nangyayari. Okay, para at least magkaroon din sila ng idea. Hindi yun ang huhula sila. The King of Swords is also signifies courage, lakas ng loob, honesty. So, you need to stand up your ground again, Scorpio. Pakita sa lahat, okay? Hindi ito dahil nagmayayabang ka, hindi ito dahil nagmamalaki ka, but may kailangan ka lang gustong iparating na mensahe. Alright? So, 10th and last card mo, Scorpio, for May 2026 reading. Justice is here. Fairness is here. Balance. So for a long time, parang ikaw ang inabuso, parang ikaw yung nag-give way lahat-lahat. Binigay mo lahat, parang ikaw yung hinugutan ng lahat. Energy, time, everything, you're doing your best sa kakatulong. But with the Justice card, May 2026, this will be like a payment period for you. Expect na maaaring yung mga taong tinulungan mo for the long time, maaaring mag-pay back sa it's like, fairness. Ma-appreciate mo naman. Ma-appreciate ka nila, ma-appreciate mo naman yung tulong ng mga tao. Even a simple act of parang pag-reconnect, catching up, parang pag-communicate again sa time na parang ma-appreciate, even words of appreciation for you, malaking tulong na ito. Because the Justice card is about fairness. Maaring ma-express nila or sabihin nila sa'yo na tama ka. It's like, you are being highly appreciated sa lahat ng nagawa mo. And also, expect na kadati kasi parang nagsisentiment ka na parang puro ka tulong, puro ka labas at hindi ka naman na-appreciate, hindi naman na-rewardan yung effort mo. With this Justice card, May 2026, everything will be transforming into a situation na sabi ko nga, lahat ng effort, lahat ng skills na maipapamalas mo, Scorpio, lahat ng gagawin mo tulong will be rewarded and appreciated. Not only by the people na you are expecting to do it, but also unexpectedly sa mga taong hindi mo pa in-expect na makikilala ka or kumbaga ma-recognize yung tulong at galing mo dito. With the Justice card, expect fairness, balance with everything na for a long time ay hindi mo naranasan sa buhay mo, Scorpio. Alright? So, this is a very beautiful reading. I hope and I pray, marami na sa sign ng Scorpio makapanood to ngayon. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much, mga Scorpio, kung soulmates sa inyong laging pagsama sa inyong lingkod. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagkikita, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, suporta. Mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.